Andhra Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. These are the neighboring states. Telangana, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. So these are the neighboring states of Karnataka. After that, the next is tourist places. That which are the famous tourist places in Karnataka. So these are the tourist places of Karnataka. Some of the famous monuments of Karnataka, it include Gol Gumbaj, Gol Gumbaj at Bijapur, Mysore Palace, at Mysore, Mysore Palace at Mysore, and Darya Daulat Bagh at Srirangapatnam. Srirangapatna. So these are the famous tourist places. Gol Gumbaj at Bijapur, Mysore Palace at Mysore, and Darya Daulat Bagh at Srirangapatna. So these are the famous tourist places. Jog Fall and Shivana Samundra Falls. These are the two waterfalls in the state Karnataka. After that, next comes occupation. That what is the main occupation of the people living in Karnataka. So the main occupation of the state are agriculture, fishing, animal rearing, semiculture, horticulture, beekeeping, and leather works. Now let's discuss that what is the meaning of sericulture. Sericulture means to rear the silk worms to produce silk. Horticulture, growing of fruits and vegetables on large scale, or we can say that cultivation of fruits on large scale. Beekeeping, that people keep honeybee to produce honey. They keep bee. And leather work, that make different products by using leather. So these are the different occupation of the state. After that, the dress, that what kind of dress they wear. The people of Karnataka wear lungi and shirt. This is lungi and shirt. This is the traditional dress among men. So men wear lungi and shirt and women wear saris. Lungi and shirt for men. Sari and blouse for women. This is the traditional dress of the state. After that, the food items, that which are the famous food items of the state. So there are the different food items like puli yogare, bisi bele bhat, ragi, akki, saru huli, goju, sambar, dosas. These are the famous food items. And after that, these are the desserts: hugi, paisa, laddu, and sajik. Sajik are also eaten here. So these are the desserts. These are the sweet dishes. After that, popular dance forms and music. So the popular dance forms. popular dance forms are Yashagna, Yakashna, Krishna, Parijatha, and Bhuta Aradhana and Bhuta Aradhana. These are the famous dance forms of the state. Now the music, that is Carnatic classic music of the state, is famous all over the world. The famous music of Karnataka, that is Carnatic music. After that, the next states come Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the another state that lies in the southern plateau. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. But now its capital is Amravati. As the new state was formed from Andhra Pradesh, that is Telangana. Now Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana and the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. So the next state is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, and the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. Amravati is the capital. Now let's discuss about the neighboring states, that which are the states which share their boundary with Andhra Pradesh. So these are the states: Telangana, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. These are the neighboring states of Andhra Pradesh. After that, the tourist places, that which are the tourist places in Andhra Pradesh. So there are so many tourist places in Andhra Pradesh which attract the people. First of all is Tirupati temple, that is famous all over India. Vigas, Vijayawada, Talakona waterfall, Amravati and Araku Valley. These are the famous tourist places of the state. Now next comes occupation. That what is the main occupation of the state? Agriculture is the main occupation of the state Andhra Pradesh. The major crops that are grown here: groundnuts, oilseeds, cotton, sugarcane and jute. Agriculture is the main occupation, and groundnut, oilseeds, cotton, sugarcane and jute, these are the main crops that are grown here. After that, dresses, that what kind of dresses people wear. So in Andhra Pradesh, women wear sari and blouse and men wear dhoti, kurta. This is their traditional dress. After that, the food items, that what are the food items eaten by people here in Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is famous for both the type of food items, like vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarian and non-vegetarian both are liked by people. So there are some famous dishes: biryani, bagara bangan and mirchi ka salan. These are the famous food items. Now the famous dance form of the state, that is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is the state's best known classical dance form. So these are the important features of the state Andhra Pradesh. After that, the next state is Telangana. Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Telangana was carved out from Andhra Pradesh and formed a new state in 2014, and the capital is Hyderabad. Now the neighboring states, that which are the neighboring states of Telangana. So there are many states like Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. These are the neighboring states which share their border with Telangana. After that, the tourist places in Telangana. So there are many tourist places in Telangana, like Charminar, that is in Hyderabad. After Golconda Fort, Ramoji Film City, Salarjung Museum, Hussain Sagar, and Birla Mandir. So these are the famous tourist places of Telangana. Next is occupation. That what is the main occupation of the state? So the main occupation of the state is agriculture. People are also involved in another occupations like beadry craft, Banjara needle craft, Dhokra metal craft, Nirmal oil painting, and bronze casting handicraft. So these are also the another occupations along with agriculture. After that, the different food items: Pachi Pulusu, Hyderabadi biryani, Golichina, Mamsam, Polelu, and Sarvapindi. These are some of the famous food items of the state. After that, the next and the last state, that is Tamil Nadu. That lies in the southern plateau. So the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The neighboring states of Tamil Nadu are Kerala, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. These are the three states which share their border with Tamil Nadu. Now the tourist places in Tamil Nadu. So these are the tourist places: Mahabalipuram, Kanchipuram, Tanjore, Tiruchi, Rapalli, Kodaikanal, Rameshwaram, Kanyakumari, and Ooty. These are the famous tourist places where people visit from all over the country. Agriculture is the main occupation of the state. Now, which are the crops that are grown here? Paddy, millets, pulses, sugarcane, cotton, sunflower, coconut, cashew, and groundnut. These are the important crops grown here. The plantation crops. Plantation, but on a large farm, a particular crop is planted there. The plantation crops like tea, coffee, cardamom, and rubber. These are the plantation crops, and here is the large production of these types of crops. Dresses, that what kind of dresses people wear. So in Tamil Nadu is famous for Kanchipuram sarees. The Kanchipuram sarees of Tamil Nadu is famous in all the southern part of the country. Even it also lies in the northern part. The men usually wear lungi with a shirt and angvastra. The food items of the state. The staple dish of the state are idli, dosa, uttapam, appam, sambar, rasam, and vada. These are the famous food items. And after that, the dance form, that which is the dance form of the state. So Bharatanatyam is the famous classical dance form of the state Tamil Nadu. So these are the important features of all the four states that we have discussed about. So which are the four states that we have discussed today? That is Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Tamil Nadu. So these are the four states, and another four states we have already discussed. So these are the 8 states that lies in the southern plateau, and in this chapter we have studied about all the features, that what is the main occupation, the location, the neighboring states, the food items, the dresses, the dance forms, main occupation, what kind of crops get grown there. So these are the different topics that we have discussed about all the particular states. So in this chapter we have to study all these 8 states and their important features, the states that lies in the southern plateau.